Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.